everyone, and welcome to another video from Paybourne Motor Projects. And today we're doing a simple job, literally a little tip video. And in this tip video I'm going to show you guys how to change a bulb in a Mercedes A Class, the Mark 1, from 1998 to 2004 I think these range from. So if you have a Mercedes A Class that looks like this and you want to know how to change the bulb, then this is the video for you. If you look at it from just literally looking at it, it does look pretty compact. There is a little trick on how to change the bulb without having to remove the whole headlight, and that's what this video is about. It's easy to do. Most of you guys probably already know how to do it. It's literally a video I'm throwing out there for people that don't know how to do it. Some of that's going to hopefully help save some time and money for anybody that needs it. This is the whole reason why I'm doing it. It's just a little like 5-minute video I'm doing. If you guys don't know, I have been using this car as a project car on the channel. There's loads of other videos from Paybourne Motor Projects on the Mercedes A Class. So if you guys want to go and check it out, there's about 11 or 12 videos now of this car that I've posted on this channel. So if you guys want to go and check it out, then please do. Yeah, literally it is a case of lifting this tab. You see this tab here, that removes this, and then you got another tab up here which removes the whole of the water tank for the washer fluid. There we go. I've got a caught. There we go. It's got caught in the hole. Move it out of the way as much as you can without removing any pipes, and you can literally get your hand down in here and take out the bulbs. Right, so once you remove this tank, move it out the way, put your hand in the back. There's a little tab, I'll show you when I get it out. So you got a little tab like that which you've got to squeeze in, and that will release that out the way. That's your bulb. How they go in is they are that way, two prongs at the bottom, one at the top. Make sure you get it in straight. This is a bit of a feely job. You can have a look through the front if it helps, but you've got to literally just feel for it. So it can be fiddly, and I'm going to do this all in meal time. Yeah. Connectors on the back. That side as it is, like that. Hook it in and clip it in. That's it, job done. Same on the others as well. You've literally just about managed to get your hand in there that I can feel. The same, literally just those clips, take them off, then you got the two prongs at the top, you then pinch them together, and then that releases down, and then pull the bulb straight out. It's the same, what I've just done on this one is the same on your dip beam as well. As for the side lights, I can't quite see, yeah, it's a little one. The little one just at the top of the light, just next to where this bit is here. If you guys can see, I can't see because I'm looking at the back of the camera, so I can't see the screen what you guys can see, but it's literally just there to the side. Indicator bulb, easy enough. at the top here, turn it, then it comes out. Yeah, and then obviously to put it all back, once you put the bulb in, it's literally this tank. Slide this end in first, so you can get that down, push it down, get the hole lined up, obviously make sure the tab's out of the way, and then just flick the tab all the way down to the other side. And it's back in place. Literally, was it a 5-minute job? If that, yeah, probably about 5 minutes or so. And same on the other side, right, I'll show you. It's pretty much the same on this side as well. Lift the clip up and find it. It will be in that position, like that. So it should be down. You'll find the tab like that. Lift it up. Got to give it a wiggle, like that, straight out, and then that comes up. Move the water tank out of the way, and you've got your access point in here. Fortunately, I haven't got that much water in it, so it's easy to move out of the way. Actually, I've got no water in it now, the bloody thing's... Oh man, the old pipes come out. Right guys, that's it, simple as that. Hopefully you found it useful to get into behind the lights. Like I say, it's just a quick little 5-minute video I can make just to help out as best I can. But yeah, hopefully you found it useful and to get into the lights, just in case you guys wanted to know. I've got the car here, you know, I am selling it. If you guys have been following the project, then I have got the car up for sale. I just thought I'd find any little tip videos I can make. Seems to be my biggest viewed videos. I don't know how well this is going to do at the point of recording, but it seems to be my biggest viewed videos are ones that are like little tips, little quick 5-minute tips on how to do something that could be as easy as changing a bulb or changing something that's broken, you know, something like that. Don't worry, the washer tank was there. It's now on the floor. I accidentally, when I was filming that bit, I accidentally pulled it and I've unplugged. I've unplugged it by accident. Yeah, remember, do not pull it too hard, otherwise it will come out and you're going to lose all your fluid out of it. But yeah, I'll fix that in a minute. But yeah guys, like I say, just a little quick video on how to change the bulbs on a Mercedes A Class, an A160. What this is, it'd be any of the A classes really, whether it's petrol, diesel, doesn't matter, as long as it's an A Class 98 to 2004, which is the Mark 1 Mercedes A Class. As long as it's one of them, then that is how you change those bulbs. Don't know on the others, it could be similar. On the model after this, the Mark 2, Mark 3 is going to be completely different because they completely changed the modelling of the car. But as for the Mark 1, that's how it is. But hopefully you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more content from Paybourne Motor Projects here on YouTube. I've got a couple more videos on this Mercedes A Class 2 to come, and then that is it. Hopefully the car will be sold by then. But I have done others, and if you guys want to see more content from this car, then go and head over to the channel just by clicking on the Paybourne Motors icon on this video. Take you to the channel, you can check out other videos, or you can just click subscribe and wait for new content from Paybourne Motor Projects to come. Other than that, that's about it. Oh yeah, don't forget as well, if you have enjoyed it and it has been a help to you, please hit that thumbs up button as well, share button, greatly appreciated. And hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video, which probably might be my last one recording of this car, but we'll find out. But yeah, catch you guys soon.